I watched an interview with some Springfield, Ohio residents regarding the Haitian invasion, and some things really stuck out to me. The Americans are often puzzled by the Haitians doing these Bolshevik jobs, for which they must turn up on time. Ooh, they were puzzled on how the Haitians have savings, assuming that Biden gave them money right away as soon as they cross the border. It seems they are accustomed to their service and trade jobs, working when it suits them and showing up when they can be bothered. I don't know if this is a sustainable lifestyle long term. It can prolong the life of a nation, though. It is obvious that the West must reindustrialize to some extent, which means factory jobs need to be done. The Americans appeared to lead comfortable lives, having, well, the ones I saw anyway, correct me if I'm wrong, 2 Ford Rangers that both cost roughly $70,000 sitting in their driveway, the one family that I saw interviewed, and, well, there's nothing wrong with that. The reason these Haitians might have savings is that they live communally, packing into houses in order to save on rent. If these were American factory workers, they would probably live in their nuclear family unit thing, which is an American term. It is literally a 60-year-old tradition, and they would end up giving half of their incomes on rent. I imagine that was the projection made for the Haitians by whoever brought them to Ohio for whatever reason, but it seems that whoever made that projection was ignorant of the fact that Haitians do not necessarily prefer to live in nuclear family lifestyle. Don't get me wrong, I'm not defending the greedy fellow who brought in a swarm of migrants to save 10% on hourly wages. But perhaps it's time for you to both realize you do not have enough children and to actually make more children. As long as you continue to praise and support capitalism with your consumption, the capitalist will keep bringing in cheaper workers to displace you. The nuclear family unit has proved to serve economic growth well through increased consumption of natural resources and increased cost of building materials perpetually. However, that is not the traditional life of pretty much anywhere, including America. Like I said, it is a 60-year-old tradition. American settlers lived communally, and they did what was needed to survive. I would call the modern nuclear family a rather destructive and hedonistic pleasure for those who can afford it.